Have you ever looked at a photo and wished you could just say what to change? Make the jacket red, remove the background, turn this into a cyberpunk cityscape, and have it done instantly, beautifully, and consistently? Meet Nano Banana, an AI image editing platform powered by advanced models that understands natural language instructions, preserves characters across edits, keeps scene lighting and layout intact, and delivers production-level visuals in seconds. In this video, we'll explore what Nano Banana really is, how it works under the hood, how creators and professionals use it, step by step how you can start using it, best prompt techniques, common pitfalls, and why it might just change the way we think about visual creation. But first, I'd love to hear from you. What would you create or change in your photos if you had an editor that listens like Nano Banana does? Drop your thoughts in the comments now. Ready? Let's dive into the world of Nano Banana. Let's begin with the basics. Nano Banana is an AI-powered image editing and generation tool that allows users to make complex edits by typing natural language prompts. Upload an image, or start from scratch with a text prompt. Then tell Nano Banana what you want changed. For example, change the lighting to golden hour, add subtle rim light, make the subject wear a red coat. And the tool responds. But two features truly set it apart. Character consistency. If you're editing a person or subject across multiple scenes, Nano Banana keeps their face, proportions, appearance consistent. Other models struggle here. Scene preservation. It maintains layout, lighting, depth, and background context when doing edits, so your changes feel natural, not like the scene was artificially tweaked. So, in essence, you get the power of a VFX studio or advanced Photoshop workflow via simple language commands and minimal effort. Here's a breakdown of the workflow. 1. Input, either an image or set of images, plus a prompt, or just a text prompt for generation. 2. Processing. The model interprets your prompt. 3. Output. A high-resolution, production-ready image, often in seconds. Users report transformations in 1 to 2 seconds in some cases. Behind this, the model uses huge training datasets of images, paired with natural language annotations, enabling it to understand instructions like, make this glass swing, or change the background to Neon City. It uses multimodal inputs and optimization techniques to preserve consistent features and style across edits. For developers, Nano Banana is accessible via the Gemini API under Model ID Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. The speed and accuracy result from large-scale compute plus optimized inference pipelines. In short, what used to take hours in manual editing now takes seconds with Nano Banana. So, what can you do with Nano Banana? Here are common scenarios: photo retouching and enhancement, change lighting, remove objects, add effects simply by typing. Character or brand consistency. Use the same model character across different scenes, marketing materials, game assets. Nano Banana keeps them visually consistent. Product visuals for e-commerce. Generate multiple product angles, color variants, background swaps without multiple photo shoots. Creative storytelling and concept art. Blend multiple images or prompts to tell a story. For example, a content creator uses Nano Banana to generate a series of thumbnails with the same character in different poses and backgrounds. Each one royalty-free, brand consistent, and made in minutes. This means creators can iterate faster, launch campaigns earlier, experiment with visuals without huge cost, and maintain quality. Pro tip: keep a log of your prompts plus results. That way, you can reuse or tweak them later. Also, use consistent style keywords if you're working on brand visuals or series. Great results with Nano Banana often come from smart prompting. Here are some tips. Be specific but flexible. Make the sky purple works, but make the sky purple with golden clouds at dusk. Soft rim light on subject gets better result. Specifying character identity. If you upload a character image and say, same character, different outfit, Nano Banana will maintain facial identity. Preserve context when editing. Use phrases like preserve the background lighting or maintain camera angle from original to keep scene coherent. Batch and variation mode. If you need multiple versions, ask generate 5 variations or same scene, different outfit color variant. Iterate rather than restart. If result is close but not perfect, refine the prompt rather than starting over. You'll preserve the consistency. Also be aware, while Nano Banana is powerful, it's still an AI model. It may occasionally misinterpret ambiguous prompts or struggle with extreme novelty. Giving it good reference images, clear instructions, and simple style cues will minimize that. Also, keep in mind, despite its speed and accuracy, Nano Banana is not yet flawless. Complex scenes, extreme stylization, or ultra-high res still may require manual touch-up. Use it as a supercharged tool, not a replacement for creative judgment. As content demand explodes, tools like Nano Banana level the playing field. And as visuals saturate the web, uniqueness, speed, and consistency become competitive advantages. So, if you're a designer, creator, brand manager, marketer, or just someone who takes photos and wants more control, understanding and using Nano Banana isn't optional. It could be central to your workflow. Share your thoughts about Nano Banana in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos every weekday.